Two things na dapat mong maintindihan for you to have a better financial life. And you won't believe kasi hindi ito tinuturo sa school. Assets and liabilities. To put it in simple definition, asset puts money inside your pockets, while liabilities takes away money from your pockets. A cell phone can be both an asset or liability. Kung ginagamit mo lang siya for regular use, then it's a liability kasi labas ka lang ng labas ng pera. But if you are using your phone in business, then it becomes an asset kasi pumapasok ang pera into your pocket kasi gamit mo ang phone in your business transaction. The secret? Padamihin mo lang ang assets mo and you will never be broke again. See you on my next video.